French toast with ham and Gouda. For the toast, we need ham, Gouda cheese, eggs, butter, soft bread, pepper and salt. Break 2 eggs into a bowl. Add pepper and salt to the eggs. Mix it. Cut the bread into slices. Melt butter in a frying pan. Place ham and cheese on the bread slices. Dip the bread slices with ham and cheese into the egg mixture, coating them completely. Place on the frying pan. Fry for 1 minute from each side. Serve on the dish. Enjoy it. Bon appétit!